Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can move a folder from a OneDrive account to another one. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then you're going to be here in this window. So basically, guys, once you're here, go to the left, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the Home section, Gallery, OneDrive, and so on. So right now, go to the OneDrive section, right click on it, and then here you're going to find all of these options. Here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, and so on. And then here you're going to find the option to always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly here you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and lastly Folder Color. So right now, go ahead and click on View Online, and then you're going to be here on this page on the web. Then here in the left, you're going to find these sections: Home, My Files, Photos, Shared, and Recycle Bin. Click on My Files, and then once you do that, you're going to find all of your files that you have in your OneDrive account. Go to the folder that you want to move to another drive, for example, this one. So just go ahead and click on the three dots right next to it. So we can't download this one because it's empty. For example, we're going to go to this one. Click on these three dots right next to it. And then here, you're going to find all of these options right here. So right now, go ahead and click on download. And then it will be downloaded to your computer. Just wait for the download to finish. And then once the download is finished, you're going to find it downloaded right here, as you can see, guys, in your download. And then you can simply upload it to the other OneDrive account. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.